Okay, so I took a break for an hour or so, and sometimes it's good to do that just to get away from what you're working on. Just take a quick break, come back, and then reassess things. So yeah, I think the first thing I want to do is let's take the volumetrics down a little more because it's quite thick. So let's see if we can do that. If we don't crash here. Okay, are we good? Save. So yeah, let's lower that to like 0.025 maybe. Yeah, that's fine. It's still pretty visible. And yeah, let's pull this down so that the volumetrics are like kind of visible underneath. It's fine, and then we can see if I want. I think I'll keep that up there. That's fine there. Okay, and then let's see if we want to deal with this. That's fine there. All right. Cool. So let's take this. I think this needs to move over a little bit. It's just a little off balance feeling. So just pull that over. And then I don't know. I think, okay, first of all, let's take these and display all these clouds as bounds. So to display as bounds, again, just go back to this thing, visibility, display as, and then if you hold Alt, that will let us do it to all the objects we have selected all at once. So hold Alt, click that, there we go. Now those are no longer in the way. And I might want this path to like curve around this way. I feel like that might be cool. But I don't know. I don't really, it kind of looks like a mansion right now, not really a temple. So I gotta fix that. Because this is not really the vibe I want. I want more, yeah, temple vibes, less mansion vibes. So let's see if we can figure that out. Maybe flip it this way. That helps a little bit. Let's pull that in. Maybe not. I kind of like it right there. Okay, let's see. How else can we make this feel more temple-y? Also, this camera could come up a little bit. That looks kind of good. Let's pull that back right there. Maybe rotate, and then let's just copy the sky rotation back to the camera. So just Control C R for rotation. That's only with the copy attributes add-on enabled, by the way. It comes with the Blender, you just enable it in the preferences. I guess I could parent that to the camera. Control P K for keep transform with the camera. So if I rotate the camera, sky moves with it. That's fine. Okay, so let's see. How do we make this feel less mansion-y and more temple-y? Okay, well, let's go back to our reference photos of temples and let's try and incorporate some more of these kind of elements into our scene. And I think that will help us create more of the vibe that we want. So let's see. Could just do like more pillars and intricate little details and stuff. That might be the best thing. Could also like, ooh, I wonder if we could do some surreal thing with like water in the sky somehow. This might be bad, but it might be cool. I don't know. Like what if we do, okay, let me test something really quick. Let's take a plane and actually make this a refraction material. So let's delete this, add a refraction BSDF, just drop that in. And let's take a noise texture, drop that in, and then run it into a bump node. So this is kind of like glass, except no reflection, just refracting light only. So let's bring that into the height, bring this into the normal. And I might have to do the Ian Hubert light path into mix factor with a transparent node. Let's actually just take a transparent, mix those together, and is camera ray is going to go in here, and I think, is this the right way around? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, bring that up, and then let's just see what this looks like. So it's kind of working. I might actually want a glass here instead of just a refraction. Let's try that and just see what it looks like. So normal in here, this in here, and I can't really see what's going on. Let's try taking a color ramp and just kind of crunching this to be a little bit more harsh and just see what that looks like. I think I might have this the wrong way around too. There we go. Okay. And maybe this will work better if I have it the right way around too. That's supposed to be there. Okay. That gives it an interesting look, but I don't know if I like that. Yeah, I might just go with the glass and just pull that in there. I might not use this at all actually, but I just want to see what it looks like. That's pretty cool actually. I kind of like that. So there we go. It's just a little bit gives us some more surreal kind of vibes, but it's not like, it still feels like we're in the sky kind of, but it's like, I don't know. I like mixing that with like clouds and water, so it's not like, it's very dreamy is what I'm going for. So I think that's gonna be cool. This is a little messy right here. I wonder if I can use the clouds to like outline this a bit better. So it's, because it's like shadow next to shadow, so maybe I could just pull this right there. That might work. Or maybe just kind of like it there. So maybe duplicate one of them. Duplicate this one. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, I want to be able to see right through this, which is why, here, let's actually change it to 1.33, so it's exactly like water, the refraction. And then, yeah, this light path and transparent is what's letting us see right through it. So I just do this, it's kind of dark below it, but with this, you can still see all the clouds and stuff underneath it. So I really like that. What happens if I duplicate this up? It's a little bit weird. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but could be cool. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Okay, the thing that needs work the most is this thing in the middle. It's just very, just not the right vibe. So let's see if we can figure out how to make this look like an actual, more temple vibes, less whatever this is, mansion vibes. Yeah, it kind of looks like a Minecraft or something. I don't really like this. What if I just duplicate it like 3 to 4 times? What does that do? So yeah, a lot of this is, as I've mentioned probably before, like a lot of just trial and error and just seeing what works and just trying weird stuff. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And you just do that until it looks good, basically. Okay, this is not working. So delete these. And I wonder if ooh, what is that? Okay, wonder if I could just stretch it out like this. Is that bad if I do that? It's kind of bad. It's like a little bit not really good. Okay. I might just need to switch up the geometry on here because it's just very, yeah, I don't know. I think this is making it look like a mansion. Let's get rid of that and just focus and just see if we can get more like temple type of vibes. Okay, so let's scale that up. Maybe, okay, why is that not beveled? That is an issue right there. But let's see if we can like do, okay. I might replace this actually. Let's do that. Add another cube and try that again because, not 45. What is this angle right here? There we go. Yeah, I messed up the bevel, so let's just see if we can do that again. So just scale this down, select, okay, so I did that before, trying to alt-click this edge and it just didn't work. So let's take this, now bevel, and make sure the scale is applied first, and then There we go. Okay. Let's take a couple of things here, bevel those, scroll down so it's just one segment. Or, yeah, there we go. And then just E, scale it in. There we go. We could bevel these again if we wanted. So Control B, scroll up a couple of times. There's a little bit more detail, but nothing crazy. Okay, and I don't think you're really going to see that, but let's just put this back on here. And let's Control L, object and data, and just scale that back. Okay, cool. I think that is what we want. These, not a big fan of this shape. Let's just flip that around and just kind of pull it back up. There we go. We're kind of getting there. Let's take all this, Alt P for clear parent, and keep transformation. And then let's just take this thing out. I don't like this. Maybe we can have a small in the middle, but I just don't like it big. So that's fine. Or maybe just get rid of it. Could be better. This, I'm not sure why that's there. Just delete that. And maybe these can be, if I just scale, that's not worth dealing with. So yeah, I'm just gonna mess around with this geometry until I find, you know, something that works with this. I'm not really sure where this should be going from here. I guess we could drop some assets in. Let's maybe drop in, some stairs. That could be interesting. So maybe that, maybe could just add a cube here and just like rotate 45, or just copy rotation of this. That's not working. Just see if we can get something out here. Link material, apply scale, cube project, maybe add some edge loops, and then just inset a couple of these. Just whoops. Okay, I'm not gonna deal with that for now. I don't think I even want stairs in here anyways, unless they're maybe on the inside. Let's rotate that 180 and then just kind of put it there. Okay, that's kind of cool there. Just makes it look like there's something important happening, even though it's not really anything. It's just a square, but whatever. Looks kind of cool. So let's just put that right there. Don't really know what that is, but from this angle it looks fine. So we're just gonna keep it. Yeah. Could probably just do this. Let's clear object and data, so it's not affecting the other ones. Okay, there we go. And then I don't know what else to put in here. Maybe some of these like wooden pieces. Let's see. This is in here. Is this bad or is this fine? Maybe let's stack a couple of these. So one, another one on top. I don't know if that really belongs there, but it's adding more detail. I might just keep it there for now. I don't really know what these are, but it looks kind of cool, so. Okay, this is getting messy, so I should be careful not to just spam too much stuff in here, but yeah, I don't know. Could have more arches. I think this needs more stuff. I think I'm gonna add more stuff in here because it doesn't feel like I have quite enough to work with. Maybe bring this back down, and then same with these. Yeah, I'm really struggling to get the kind of look I want. So I'm not really sure where to go from here, but that's fine. This happens pretty often. We'll figure it out. Just have to keep pushing through and just find something that's going to work. Yeah, these don't like that. Let's get rid of that.